Now that I have my iPad out, I do remember someone in the comment section was asking me how do I adjust the settings so that the iPad remains on the entire time during the event. What you want to do is you want to come over to here. Let's get you going. Let's go to settings. When you are in the settings menu, go all the way down to where it says display and brightness. Now here in display and brightness, what you want to do is where it says auto lock, change it from 2 minutes to never. That way it doesn't lock up unless you manually hit this top button right here. So if you access your iPad and you leave it on auto lock never, it'll stay on like this the entire event. And what I usually do, like I said, is I have it connected to a portable charger. That way it stays on the entire event and the battery is good enough to last. So I said that terribly, but you guys get the point. So that's how you do it.